Hello everybody, so my name is Jimmy and I'm the owner of Bumi Cafe. I'm come from Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, or people call it in the friendly name as Saigon. I've been here for almost 8 years already, and I was here from the beginning as a university student. So the concept of Bumi nowadays is we try to bring like different dishes from different Asian country to one location. So that's something more authentic, something more special about each country. I believe the biggest challenge from the beginning was the Finnish languages. So the Finnish languages will stop you from a lot of information regarding to your business. Also, in order to start a business in Finland, on the paperwork system is very complicated and it takes quite a long time for that. That's I think the two biggest challenge from the beginning. All in all, I believe like big challenge come with big reward. So if we can overcome all the challenges and we are accepted by the market, I think we will make it a successful business in the short future. In Vietnam, we eat small, we eat differently, and we eat it with a lot of flavor. So that's the main thing what we usually do for food in Vietnam. Food in our country is also have the long culture from the time that we've been belong to Chinese. So it's been affected by the Chinese food culture. After that, the French have been in Vietnam for like over 50 years. And then they bring the French food culture in Saigon, my city where I living, and then after the France they come American. So the food there is really vary and you can never stop experiencing the new things. Vietnamese coffee is in another way it's like really dense, really black, and we like it that way. Here in Vietnam we can start drinking coffee since we are 10 years old, something like that, so it's get really common. Cold drink is also make up from those kind of two drink. So we have like the iced coffee, which is black Vietnamese coffee mixed with condensed milk, and then we're gonna add ice into it. Sure, I will show you like how to make the Vietnamese coffee. Just a minute.